Bro, guys, I really wish I had a puppy. Hello, boy. Yeah. Oh, I'm breaking his ankles. Oh, ankles broken. You wanna go, puppy? Hey, ankles broken. Come here, boy. You too scared? Yeah, you're on camera. What's up? Hey, yo, chill. Hey, yo, don't bite me. Hey, yo, chill. Hey, yo, chill. Hey, yo, you're just a puppy, I know, but you can't bite people. Honestly, I should have brought your chew toys over here, bud. Hey, yo, why you right into my leg? Buddy, we see you. I see you. Oh, crap. Oh, snap, he's attacking me. Bounce. Yo, buddy, why do you like to eat flowers so much? Why you like to eat flowers? Buddy. Yeah, hello. Ew. What if I run it? Come at me, bro. Come at me. I broke your ankles. Oh, crap. He's chasing me down. Ow, he's chasing me down. Why do you like the soccer balls? Hello? Hello, sir. Isn't it a nice day? Yes, it is. Hello, kind sir. Don't bite me, please. Don't bite me, lick me. Yeah, oh, yes. Good boy. Good boy. Hello, yes, you are. Yeah, you are a cute dog. Major Bear. Major Bear. Hello. Hello, Major Bear. Hello. Major Bear. Major Bear. Hello, Major Bear. Where is your face? There it is. Now let me zoom out on you. Ready? Hello. Hello. Your cup is soft. Hello, sir. What are you doing today? You're eating grass? Okay. But anyways, like and subscribe, people. See you next time.